All right, we're going to rock with this Dollar Tree mug right here, and all we're gonna do is wrap some bling around it. This particular bling right here, I got it from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box. Okay, so we're gonna take these balloon sticks. I purchased these at Dollar Tree. These are the big ones. These are the 4 in a pack. And I'm simply just going to take the little part right here, and we're just going to add some glue to it and glue it right in the cup. All right, now you're going to take your Bobo balloon. I believe this is an 18-inch one. I am not for sure. Please don't quote me on that because all my balloons are mixed up. But yeah, you're simply just going to stretch it out just like this. All right, and all we're going to do is blow up the balloon and release the air. All right, then you're going to simply just cut a little slit on the side of the balloon so we can put our flowers inside. Okay, so I just want you to see how big of an opening that I cut. See, if you can see, it's not too big. And we are going to rock with these flowers right here. These are from Walmart. Okay, I got to keep it real with you. I do not care for these flowers. If you can see, there's like white residue on the leaves, which will get all over your balloon. So I just want to give you a heads up and let you know, just in case you want to get these from Walmart. All right. And then all you're going to do is just cut it down the sides. Just cut the stem. All right. Now, all you're going to do is take your tape and wrap the tip of the stem so nothing will poke the balloon and bust it. I'm actually going to do this a couple of times just for extra security. Boom, just like that. All right, now all you're going to do is stick your flowers inside of your balloon. Okay, you guys, we are going to actually use a heat sealer, which you can get off of Amazon as well. And we are going to seal up the balloon. So you want to make sure that your heat sealer is actually set to number 3. Make sure you position everything in there real good so nothing is sticking out. And you simply just going to seal up the balloon. Okay, and all you're going to do is cut off the excess plastic. All right, so now we're going to just blow up the balloon, checking to make sure that no air comes out. Okay, hold on. I got some air coming out. So all I'm going to do is simply reseal the area where the air is coming out. Okay, so let's go ahead and pump it back up and check it again. And we are good. No air is coming out. All right, so we're going to simply tie a couple of knots at the tail of the balloon. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take this 260Q balloon and cut it in half. You're going to go ahead and position your flowers inside of the balloon and simply wrap the 260Q, the half of the 260Q, around the stem of the flowers and the balloon. Wrap it around a few times and tie a couple of knots and cut off the excess. Oh, look how cute. Now, if you look real close, you can see the white residue that is left on the balloon. Like I was telling you, I just want y'all to see. But we are still going to rock with it. It still looks good. All right, so you're going to take another one of the little parts and stick it at the tip of the balloon. All right, I just want you guys to see how I am positioning it in my hand. And then you're just going to hold it and wrap tape around it. I am going to do this a couple of times just for security. Okay, and I'm simply just going to cut off the excess plastic. And look. All right, now you're going to take your balloon stick and simply place it inside the cup, and we're going to cut it down to size. Okay, I'm going to remove the stick, and now we're going to place it in the part where the from our balloon, just like that. Okay, so we're going to take this mesh right here. I got this from Dollar Tree. And we are simply going to wrap it around. Oh, I'm sorry. You're going to cut it down to size. All right, about some squares. I don't know how long. And then just wrap it around your balloon. Okay, take your other 260Q, the other half, and wrap it around a few times and tie a couple of knots and cut off the excess balloon. And this is what we're rocking with. Okay, now I forgot to put in these foam beads, which you can purchase at Dollar Tree. And I'm simply going to place the stick back on the little part in the cup. Okay, now I am noticing it is way too tall, so I am simply going to remove it and cut down the stick and try it again. Okay, that's better. That's better. Now let's see. Okay, we are good. Now all I'm going to do is adjust the mesh. Okay, now you want to take your ribbon of choice and you're going to glue it on each side of the cup. Now, with this hot glue, you want to be very, very careful that you do not touch your balloon. So just be very careful, you guys. Okay, now simply tie your little bow at the top. Whoop, up. You guys, I just noticed that the ribbon is way too short. But that's all right, because I'm still going to make my little bow at the top. And all I'm going to do is simply add some more ribbon and tie it around my little bow. Just like that. Now I'm going to take this little butterfly. You can get these from Dollar Tree and just attach it to your little ribbon. I'm sorry, your little bow. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. And there you have it. Now, if you really want to jazz this up and make it a wow factor, all you got to do is check out this video right here to see how to add a stuffed animal to the side of your balloon gift. And there you have it. Now, with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.